Welcome to Library Management System, and uh, this site developers are myself Dayanand and Arvind, and QA team was Madhav Kaskurti, and our mentor was Avil Avate. And for this development of this site, we have used softwares like MVC4, Entity Framework 5, SQL Server 2008 R2, Twitter Bootstrap for that designing the layouts for making the appearance good, then jQuery and HTML5. These were our softwares that softwares or tools those we were used, and the requirements were like uh, it is it is make the librarian to manage books and issue and get back the books from subscribers, and subscribers also can request for the books and return the books, and only one user can take only one book at a time, and if he wants to take another book, he has to return that book and he can request for the next book. These were our requirements, and the late submission of the books will be fined like 1 or 2 rupees per day. Such that. And now we'll go for the demo. This is the home page of the library management system, and here the user can search search the books by book name or book category or author name. If you uh, first will click by the book name. When you click this book search by book name, the one pop-up window will come. There you have to type your book name. If you don't know the book name also, you can partially search like MVC. I'll type only MVC, type search. It will give the list of books which are started or ended with whatever MVC. These are the books which are in the library, MVC books. Uh, See, here this MVC3 book category is CS and author name is Palman, but these copies are 0, and it means in library these books copies are not available. And one more book is there on MVC, that is MVC1 ASP.NET, and again book category is computer science, author name is Martin, and but it has a copies like copies available is 7, so we can request for this book. So now I don't want to request, and I will go to home page and I will search by category. In category you'll find a combo box. There you can request for there you can search by the books by category like CS, MCA, IS like that. Here I have only two, that is CS and MCA. I'll search by MCA now. It will give the list of available books in MCA category. These are the books. One is Fire and Ice, jQuery, Visual C Sharp.NET. These three are the books available under MCA category. And here also this Fire and Ice has 0 copies. Again jQuery has 5 copies. For that you can request for book. And Visual C Sharp.NET has 5 copies again. You can request for this book. And the book category is MCA. All of these book categories are MCA. And author name is, for this book author name is Mickey Williams, and this one Beer, etc. like that. And now I will show the how to request for a book. Those copies will be 0. For them the request book link will not be there, and those copies will be greater than 0. For that we are providing the request book link. So whenever you click the request for a book, it will take you to the login screen, and that is like, if without logging in you can't request for a book. So I am logging in as a normal user, I logged in as a normal user and I have requested this book. I when I was searching the books, I clicked on this book name and that book details it is showing now. You requested book details are book number 21, book name jQuery, author name Beer. And now if I click on the issue link, the book will be issued on my name and that the book count will be decremented by 1. Now I will click on book issue. That book has been issued to the user Daya BM and the book issue details are book name jQuery, author name Beer, issue date is present date and due date will be plus 10 days, that is 11 plus 10, that is 21/12/2012, and within this due date the user has to return that book, otherwise he will be uh, the the fine will be charged for him regarding how much time he will delays. Now this user can't take again this user cannot take the books again, like I'll search author by name and here he doesn't know the author name fully, so I will give a, that's it. So whatever the author names listed by whatever the author names it contains a, it will be listed. These are the books, these are the books written by author name written by author whose name contains a. See, like Palman, Chetan, Sam, again Palman, Beer, Mickey Williams. So all of these author names contains A. So it searches the books for author name that contains A letter. So here again these here see the one thing that I request for that book. This user has taken this book already. That jQuery MCA Beer. Before these copies were 5 and now I took that one copy, so copies available is 4. So other users can take only 4 copies of this book. You want to check that book status means you can click by this return name and it will show the books in your account. That book name jQuery, issue date today's date and due date is this one. So now user can't request for the books because he or she can have only one book at a time in his account. So the SharePoint book has a available number of copies is 3. So I want to request for this book again. It will show that you already have a book. Please return the book before requesting for new one. This was our requirement told by our mentor, so we made it like that. Now the user wants to return that book, so he has to click on this return book link, or he can click this menu also, return book menu. Both will take you to this page and here the books available in your account it will be shown, and if you click here return book, it will return that book whatever you have taken. So it will give the details like due date, return date today, return date is today and fine amount is 0 because you have taken the book on today, and giving the book within the due date, so you need not to pay the fine. Now he can request for another book whatever he wanted before. So again if I click on that return book link, it will give you the like sorry, no books are available in your account. And these are the functionalities from the user side. And when it comes to the admin, I will give you the demo of the admin part of this website. For that I will again as admin. Whenever you logged in as an admin, you'll find these many links like home, about. These were there for the user also. And here two more you are able to see. These are book list and archive. Whenever you click on book list, it will take you to the list of books that are available in the library. See here, these are the books available in the current library. So here the user can add books. If new book comes into the library, he can add those books here. Book name should be C#.net. Book category MCA. Author name David. Number of copies 5. So you have to select a book image. If you don't have that particular book image, means you can upload image not available image, and you can create that book now, and that book will be added here. That is C#.net MCA David Palman. That is number of copies 5, available 5. uh, this is one functionality from the admin side. And another functionality is mainly is like the some books are outdated or some books are torn. So such kind of books you can move into archive. This archive contains the list of books which are torn or outdated or not useful books. So now I am moving this recently added C#.net book into archive. So it will ask for the reason why you are moving this book to archive. So I am giving here as outdated. So all copies of C#.net are outdated. So I am moving this C#.net books into archive. It will take today's date and the book number and book name is C#. It will be moved into archive. So now you are not able to see that link, that is link, that is book name C#.net David, and number of copies are 5. Because it has been moved to archive. Here you can find that book C#.net outdated and date is today. So the books, if you want to delete permanently from the library, so you can delete it here. Like you click on delete, it will ask for you again, are you sure you want to delete this book? That is book ID, book name, the reason, date. If you click delete, and it will be permanently deleted from the library management system. Like I'm deleting this book. Yeah, that is deleted. That has been deleted from the system completely. So these are the functionalities from the admin side, and you can you can see the list of books there in the archive, and you can see the book list. You can add new books, and these are the that's it. These are the functionalities from the admin, and normal user can register for the library management system to take the to request for the book and return the books. That's it. This is all about library management system, and thank you.